Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I grew my hair, how I keep it long. Okay, before we start the video, it's literally 11 p.m. Don't mind me. Everything I'm saying now is from the top of my head, so I don't even write down anything, so I'm just doing it from the top of my head, just to let you know. Now, I also have, tea to keep me like energy, I guess. Back to my hair. Okay, a little background about my hair. Everyone thinks I've always had long hair, but actually I think in 4th grade I shaved it. This is when I used to go to the school. One time for my summer break when I went home, my mom cut my hair really short, and I really cut it not because I had scalp issues, because that would have been, there's treatment for that. I just liked attention, that was it. So I cut my hair it wasn't all the way bald, but I had this much. Since my texture before that, my hair texture before that was not like this. It was very more tighter curls, coarse, and it was not as loose like this. I don't really take care of it. I wasn't like that. Mind you, I was in 4th grade or something, or 3rd grade. When I went back to the school, this one girl, this older girl that used to live with us. If you guys don't know, I went to a residential school. One of the older girls went to the younger girl's residence, and she lived with us. She used to take care of my hair. So she used to wash my scalp really nice and everything. And then my hair started growing. The texture just started becoming better. And I know that it's because I cut it. My scalp was just healthier, better. And so I was let me just start taking care of my hair. So starting 5th grade, 4th grade, it got so much better, and I was I like this result, and I became obsessed with taking care of my hair. So since then, my hair started growing, and it grew fast. Mind you, I didn't have no fancy Shea Moisture. I used non-silicone free shampoo and everything, just whatever I can. Back then it was not popular to wash your hair with no silicone. None of us, I can guarantee, none of us knew what make sure it has no sulfate, no silicone free, everything. If I wanted something from home, I'd beg my mom for this expensive shampoo. Now it's not that expensive, but back then I thought it was expensive. Starting 7th grade, I started doing hot oil treatment, and that's when it umped it, you know what I'm saying? I did hot oil treatments every Friday with olive oil. I would put it in the microwave. You're not supposed to do that, but I did that. I just did what I can. So my hair started growing, and everyone's how's your hair growing this fast? And I'm I just take care of my hair. But one thing is, my hair was always in a bun. It was always in a bun, but it still grew somehow. I don't know if it connects to that, I'm not sure. I never left out my hair. Everybody used to be come on, leave out your hair, your curls are so nice. It's once I got into college, so I'm in my 4th year of college. My 1st year, I started investing in my hair, not only in my health, my hair health, but my actual health, what I eat. And that's when I saw my hair getting full, growing longer, the curls are nice. It just started becoming its own thing. And I finally learned how to do a wash and go. And that's the video, I'm gonna link it down below right here. I'm gonna tell you tips and tricks. It's for guys, girls, anyone. If you wanna grow your hair, I feel this has worked for me. I'm just telling you what worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for everyone, but just try it out, because it really worked for me. And then I think the peak my hair just went was the pandemic. That year when we were in lockdown, I really started taking care of my hair. I even cut my own hair. I even cut my own layers. A mess, but it came back, it grew back, so it's okay, it's okay. I did not even write down anything. I'm just gonna tell you guys from up here. So number one thing is your inside health. Be intentional with what you eat, balance. I'm not saying don't eat sugar, but I'm just saying balance. Add vegetables to your diets. I take sea moss every morning as my vitamin, and sea moss is so good. It has 90 minerals of the 103 we need in our body. And I started taking sea moss in August. Not only my hair growing, getting thick, fuller. Another thing is there's more benefits. Your skin, hair, things that you don't even know that you're being protected from. It's just a natural healing thing, and I really take health advice from Dr. Sebi. Everyone who knows me just knows I'm Dr. Sebi doesn't do that, so I'm not gonna do that. I watched him speak on YouTube. I found it, and what he's saying is it's the truth about health, So I'm just saying, sea moss is help. And if you don't want to take sea moss, just some type of vitamin for your hair. It doesn't have to be biotin, it can be other vitamin, the I used to take the multivitamin, like for women's health. That helps too. Just whatever's good for you, just go around, because not everyone's body's different. Try to take vitamin and be consistent with it, and then drink your water. I try to drink a gallon a day. So I have the milk jug, my bad, that you buy from like Walmart or anything like that. I just get that, I fill it up the night before from the gym, and then the next day I try to drink that whole thing. You'll see improvement on your skin, hair, your energy. You won't be tired that much. That's what I've seen these past 3 months. I really try to improve that. I don't think I've had a bad week with my hair. And I'm just saying this, like, I know it might be the products, but at the same time, it just seems more cooperative. Second thing I'm gonna say is I do have a curly hair routine. So you can see the products I use now from the Wash and Go. The main things with the technique, I really think the thing that grew my hair is the Vanity Planet, the vibrating brush that cleans your scalp, that really stimulates your scalp, brings blood to your scalp, grows your hair. And I recommend everyone getting it. I don't even know if Vanity Planet still sells it, but I'm pretty sure Amazon has it. Vibrating shampoo, scalp clarifying brush. I think that's like one of the main things, because I use it every week. I switch products, but that has been consistent. And so I also do hot oil treatments. Those are really good. I know oil has been, the past year, oil has been like, oil doesn't do anything. Okay, maybe it might not do anything by itself for your hair, but for your scalp, it moisturizes it. Hot oil treatment stimulates so that your new hair growth, new hair follicles, like just growing. And I believe that. But I know the whole hair oil thing, if you haven't heard of that, it's like they're saying just putting oil on your hands and putting it on your hair with nothing, no product in it, doesn't help. I kind of agree with that. It's still good to put oil on your hair, just make sure you have some type of base, leave-in conditioner, cream, and then you put the oil to seal it. So I would say hot oil treatments, I do mine once a week. I'll say like twice a month. I don't do it every week because I do have a clarifying week. Okay, so that leads me up to my clarifying week. I have this clarifying week, like Friday, like my wash day. I use apple cider vinegar. It really helps because apple cider vinegar cleans. So your scalp needs to be clean for new hair to grow. So mind you, if you have buildup from the leave-in conditioner, from everything, if you had a protective hairstyle and you use like just the regular no sulfate shampoo that gives slip and like moisture to your hair, it's really not gonna clean up your scalp. I recommend you use apple cider vinegar at least once a month. Don't put it like in your hair, but just like have some type of applicator and you put it on your scalp and you clean it, and then you shampoo, you double shampoo, and just keep up with your scalp health. That's really important for your hair to grow, and it's good for hygiene. Your hair smells good, dandruff, it keeps that away, and then you put oil on your hair. Perfect. Next, I'd probably say be gentle with your hair. So when you detangle it, like on your wash days, don't just like brush it out, because your hair is gonna literally come out of your hair because you forced it. We all have shedding. Like I shed a lot on my wash day because I don't brush my hair every day. That's natural. But I can tell when I like pushed it a little too hard and I could feel the hair coming out of my scalp. That was not necessary. Like my hair did not need to come out. I would say take your time detangling your hair. Detangle from the bottom up, and don't try to take out hair that's not meant to be taken out. Really take care of it. And then wash days, make sure you have the right amount of time to wash your hair, to clarify your scalp, your leave-in conditioner. All of that for me personally takes me like 40 minutes to an hour. And I really set that aside because my hair is like a priority. If you want your hair to grow, you gotta make it an important thing. You gotta invest in it, you gotta take care of it, be gentle with it. Make sure your wash days, you really have time and you don't hurry up and you just wash your hair and then just leave it. And really take time to like give your hair some love. Hey guys, it's Editing Sara. I forgot to mention this big thing. I'm talking about trimming. So I actually trim my own hair every 6 months. I don't really trim it like every 3 months. I just do it like twice a year if it's needed. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you need to trim your hair for your hair to grow, but it doesn't make sense to me. The last time I tried it, I did like a big chop. It took a long time to grow back, even though I was doing a lot of things. So to keep the length every 6 months, I learned how to cut my own hair. So I would like cut this much if it's needed. If it's not, I take care of my hair. Another thing I've started doing is I put hyaluronic acid, the ordinary, I put it on my ends so that my ends don't feel dry, it stays healthy, and I don't have to cut it off. Just wanted to let y'all know. And then one thing I'll say that's been helping me a lot, using the eversion method, you know, when you wash your hair over the tub, like I said on my wash and go video, like the perfect wash and go video, that really helps me because putting my hair down, all the blood goes to my scalp. I'm also cleaning it, which is like stimulating it. I'm clarifying it. My head's down the whole time, you know? And I know some people can't do that all the time, but if you can, I feel like that works best. I mean, it gets rid of back acne. You don't have to have condition all over your back, your chest, like none of that. And especially when you have like masks in your hair, like, you know, avocado banana mask, a protein mask. I also do that once a month. When I have that, it's easier to bend my head over to wash all the stuff out instead of being in the shower and it's like, you know, going to your body and your cracks and like, nah, that's just not. Every time I put up my hair, I also go down. I just don't like pull up my hair like this. I go down. I feel like just going down just like a little bit, it's like it wakes up your scalp, like, you know, like stimulation, like let's grow, you know? That's what I think. I don't know if it's true, but you know, I'm just telling you exactly what I do so that it can help you somehow, or you could get some of the tips and then try it out for yourself. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more like things of curly hair or anything like that, please comment down below. If you did like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and come again.